right, mate, let's look here at HEX. So, well, it looks topped for now, right? I mean, when you come back up on here into you know, the first touch of the moving average again, quite often that can top the price for now. It doesn't mean that we can't have a second month to the upside. You know what I mean? Like, there's always a possibility on a new month that this can keep going and we can get a second month. It is always a possibility. But when you start coming back up in a major moving averages like this on a huge candle, a big candle, it's usually close to at least a short-term top. You know, again, look where we're coming into. It's a lower high than here. So you have to start thinking that this is a major level. I think it was a weekly chart. Let's see. Yeah, I remember we talked about this being a giant pressure cooker. A long time ago, it was probably down here, and we talked about that this was a giant pressure cooker. That I didn't draw that very well, but anyway, that's not much better, but you know what I mean. This is a giant pressure cooker. You know, we're talking about down here. Is this going to continue to run and get a second month coming up into here before, you know, coming back down? Some coins have done that in the past. It's tough to know. What I will say though is that Litecoin looks like it's going to have a second green 9-week candle, implying that this market may not be done yet, implying that there could be some upside. But to be honest, it is very tricky because in bear markets, sometimes you get one green candle and then the next candle is a red candle back down, right? So that's the worry. That's kind of where we stand in the market. We are forming these green candles, but in real bear markets, sometimes they kind of just drop right back down after having the green candle. So it is tough to know. It really is tough to know. For now, I think we're close to a top. You know, I think we're getting into that area. See, into here. But you know, I'm still leaving the door open that next month can go higher. I'm sure you've seen LTC. I just posted about it in the group earlier. K9 was asking, but you know, it's kind of forming this sort of pattern when you come back up and you start taking out the highs of this. See this large candle, and then new 9-week. It's in 15 days time, 13 days time, could open up and push us higher again. And just like Bitcoin. Now, I don't know if we can get big crazy moves like Bitcoin got up there. Sometimes you get a bit of a spike higher, like here, and fail and come back down. So we kind of need to see what we get, but it does look like the market has more room left to the upside at this point. If it has more room to the upside, there's a good chance HEX could run some more on a new month, on a new 9-week candle. But in the near term, you have to start thinking that this is going to top out or somewhere around here. The big question is, can we get the continuation on a new month? And hopefully Litecoin does, and many other coins can follow.